Hi everyone, this is the fourth and final lecture of topic 6, muscular system of the human anatomy class. In this lecture, we are going to learn about the skeletal muscles of the human body by dividing the muscles into muscle groups based on their location. We will use the following four groupings of skeletal muscles: head and neck muscles, muscles of trunk, shoulder and arm, muscles of the upper limb, and muscles of the lower limb. We'll start with the head and neck muscles. This slide lists only some of the important muscles from each group. We will go over all of the muscles again when we do the lab. So important facial muscles include the frontalis, the orbicularis oculi, orbicularis oris, buccinator, and zygomaticus. While the important chewing or mastication muscles include the masseter, which closes the jaw, and temporalis, which also closes the jaw. Two important neck muscles are platysma, which pulls the corners of the mouth, and the sternocleidomastoid, which flexes the neck and also rotates the head. This figure shows the important head and neck muscles. Moving to muscles of the trunk, shoulder, and arm. The first group are the anterior muscles, and this group includes the pectoralis major, which adducts and flexes the humerus, and the intercostal muscles. The intercostal muscles include two muscles, the external intercostals and the internal intercostals. These muscles are responsible for raising and depressing the rib cage in the thorax and help in respiration. This figure shows the location of the pectoralis major muscle. Posterior muscles include the trapezius, the deltoid, latissimus dorsi, erector spinae, and quadratus lumborum. This slide shows some of the muscles discussed in the previous slide. Some muscles of the arm include the biceps brachii, the brachialis, brachioradialis, and triceps brachii. We learned about these muscles a little bit in previous slides. Muscles of the abdominal girdle include the rectus abdominis, the transversus abdominis, external oblique, and internal oblique. This slide shows the abdominal muscles. Muscles of the upper limb include what we have discussed before, the biceps brachii, brachialis, brachioradialis, and triceps brachii. This slide shows the triceps brachii in the posterior view. Muscles of the forearm include the flexor carpi, flexor digitorum, extensor carpi, and extensor digitorum. Muscles of the lower limb, muscles which cause movement at the hip joint include gluteus maximus, gluteus medius, the iliopsoas, and the adductor muscles. This slide shows some of the muscles of lower limb. Muscles that cause movement at the knee joint include the hamstring group. The hamstring group includes the biceps femoris, the semimembranosus, and the semitendinosus. Some other muscles causing movement at the knee joint are the sartorius and the quadriceps group. The quadriceps group includes the rectus femoris and the vastus muscles. Muscles that provide movement at the level of ankle and foot are the tibialis anterior, the extensor digitorum longus, the fibularis, and the soleus. This figure shows the muscles that have just been discussed. This is an anterior view of the human body musculature. This is the posterior view. There are three areas or muscles where intramuscular injection is given. The first one is the deltoid muscle of the arm. The second one is gluteus medius, which is the ventrogluteal hip. And the third one is the vastus lateralis of the thigh.